Hey guys, so I watched a couple of videos on how to clean my Samsung dishwasher because I was having some residual food particles in the upper tray on my coffee cup. So I followed several videos cleaning out the bottom. I didn't video all this, but you could look at the other videos for those. Cleaned out, removed this screw, and this is over here. Anyway, one part that I did not see in any videos, and I think this is a game changer because I've done this 2 or 3 times and still had problems. So the upper excuse me here, this upper rack that brings water to the top, pop that out, and this is what I found. Yuck. So, and it was also on the back. Sorry I didn't take pictures of it, but there was grunge on the back and also on the top. Hopefully you could see it, but I cleaned it all up already. But this I did not see on any other video. So hopefully this is a game changer. And I couldn't not post this for you guys. See ya.